This is the patch. It seems amazing so far. Let me show you the process of putting it on. All right, this is an old trampoline. Not sure how much longer this is going to last, but here is the hole. Then you just use the alcohol wipes to clean up as best you can around the hole. Just kind of get the dust off as best as you can. And here's the rubber cement, so you just want to put it all over. I'm gonna have to put my phone down to do a better job. So I've got it pretty well smeared on this, but when I put it down, I'm going to move it just a bit, or try to, just to get it to go in a little bit better. So trying to move it just a little bit to get everything to go through, and you can kind of see when things go through. And then I'm going to put a little bit around the edge here and scrape off. So I went around the edge, and now I just want to smooth it out like this, just to kind of prevent the edges from being wonky. And you can see it's pushing it kind of down through the holes. In fact, that looks nice. I'm going to use up the rest of this, and this has kind of taken most of the bottle or the tube, but that's looking nice getting pushed through. So I want to push through the rest of it. Maybe that's a bad idea, but I'll let you know in just a while through the power of editing. Okay, we got one patch done. Gonna go look for more holes. I'm going to cut this and then use the torch to kind of melt the edges so I can make a lot of smaller patches. All right, here's my mini patches. I probably shouldn't have melted them. I will let you know if that was a good idea or not. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but just with a much smaller hole. We'll see how it does. So this has been on for about 3 weeks now. It's been through rain, snow, jumping, everything. Like, maybe I could pull it off if I really tried, but it's definitely not coming off on its own. So my final thoughts are, this patch is fantastic if you have a trampoline with holes. Cutting the patch and making it smaller is a good idea. Using a lighter to melt the plastic is a horrible idea. Don't do that, just cut it. And then with the rubber cement, just make sure you go along the edge really well. And that's it. So if you want to put more life into your trampoline without replacing the whole thing, just get a really cheap patch kit. It's going to work well enough to cover up the holes and make it usable again.